Hello YouTube friends. Wish I didn't have to show you this video. Dryer quit working. This will be the third time I've replaced this heating element in it. I'll show you where it's located now. Ta-da! Not much room in the hallway to work, so let me show you what we got to do. First off, there's a screw here and a screw here we got to take off. I have this magical little tool here, almost everybody has in their house. Just pops right off. Now we're going to take off 4 screws. They're right here on the blue edge of this. And that pops right out. Drop my screws in the bin. Now we're going to come around to the front. There are 4 right here. 2 here, 2 over here. And there's also two down here at the bottom of the one there, one there. Now there is a wire harness right there for that button. Just gently unplug it. And then this will all lift out of the way. Now I'm going to put 2 screws back in this because I'm going to roll it over and show you the heating element and how to test it. Put one on each corner, hold this front panel back on, so that way I don't have to lay down on the floor, do all this extracurricular activity. A little tough to see, but right down here, let me get a flashlight. I've been in this already before I pulled it all the way out here, but the red and blue wire is power for the heating element. We'll put a meter on it and I'll show you. The little horseshoe will tell you if you have continuity, which is letting you know if the circuit can be made. And when it's made, by pressing these two together, it goes to 0. It means it makes a full circuit. And I got nothing, so that tells me it's bad. But if you don't have heat, something else to check is this little sensor right here. Notice it goes to 0. I've had that go bad on me. It's only made for around 10,000 cycles. It's just a thermal coupler that tells it when it needs heat and doesn't need heat. There's also 2 of those along this heating element. I don't know if you can see the wires down through there. I'll pull this out. We'll give it a test. For the location where ours sits, we had to move the exhaust port from the back to the side. But to get that heating element out, you have to take off 3 screws here. And it'll come out that hole. There it is. So just so we have reference, I put the 2 wires, they jump, make a circuit through. One blue wire it goes there, and the other one here for the red one. You can't really make the mistake because that has an oversized terminal on it and these are smaller. Let me show you how this comes apart. There's looks like 7 screws. There's also 2 screws there on these sensors. I'm just going to take the top one off. There's the heating element. There it is. Right there's where it's broke. I'll get the new one put in, shove it back in the unit, reverse the steps on the screws, and everything should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See all the other chaos and craziness / creative things I get into. Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate. Comment if you want. I'm glad to respond to any questions.